In this video, I will show you how to add customer support in your Shopify store. So there's basically three options for doing this. Some of them are free and others are paid. So option number one is free and very easy, and that is the built-in Shopify inbox. So Shopify has a free app called Shopify Inbox that lets you chat with customers. So if you're wondering how it works, from your Shopify admin, what you want to do is just go to apps and click on add right there. Then go to the Shopify App Store. And here just search for Inbox. And then you will see Shopify Inbox. You can see it has great reviews. Just click install. And as you can see, this will help you connect with shoppers and drive sales with chat. So just install that app. And from there, click turn on chat. So basically this allows your customers to chat with you. So it will have this chat pop up right there. And you can now customize what it looks like. For example, if I wanted to have a yellow background with black text, I can just go ahead and enter that right here. And you can choose where it is, the vertical position, what kind of an icon it is. So just enter all of that here. They can also choose a greeting message. And from there, click save. So you can see now if I go view your online store, that right here it's kind of covered up by this section. You can see it has the chat. So I can now click on it and write a message. So for this example, if I just send hi, and then enter my details. So they will also connect details, which is great, because then you will automatically have their email and name and stuff like that, and you can then use that for your marketing. From there, click start chat, and then I can just send them a message. And you will see now if I open up Shopify and in my apps right here, go to Shopify, and then in my apps in inbox here, you can see that now I have one unread message. If I click on the unread message, I can now actually start chatting with this person. So right here, I now have the person that said hi. Then I can say, hi, what can I help with? And now on the store, you can see they then get that message. So that's the first way. This is free and very easy, and it's just done by Shopify. But this is not the only way. Option number two is to add email or contact form, because for this option, basically it can take quite a bit of time for you to respond, since you can only respond when you are online, and the person is probably not going to stay on your website for hours to wait for a response. You could hire a customer support rep or have some kind of a team in place if you have quite a successful store. But if you're just beginning, that is not really realistic. So in that case, what I would do is add email or contact forms. To do that, go to the online store right here and click pages. And then here, just go and click on add page. And from there, you want to add a contact page. So just name it contact. And in the content, you can say contact page. And then in the template over here on the right, instead of a default page, set it to contact and then click save. And you also want to set it to visible, by the way, so click save then. Now if you click view, you can now see that they have the contact page with name, email, phone, and the comment that they have. So if they now send a message here, it will be sent to the email that is connected to your Shopify store. So on my store in Shopify, they can now go to contact right here and then contact me. So that's another form of customer support. Now option number three is paid, and that is with third-party customer support apps. So again, go to the App Store, click App and Sales Channels, and from here go to the Shopify App Store. Now there are a bunch of great apps. If you just search for customer support, you will find them. For example, Gorgias right here is a good one. Another one is, for example, Tidio, that's a good one. Zendesk or Reamaze. Now, for example, you have this one, Chatty. This is an AI chatbot. So that means that provide 24/7 support to sell more with AI Sales Assistant. It has 4.9 stars out of 5, so very good. And they have a free plan available with 100 AI replies per month, and it can be trained on 100 of your products. So say I want to use this one, I can just install it. And then for this example, I'm just gonna delete the Inbox app right here, because otherwise it will be a bit confusing. So now I'll just install this one called Chatty, but you can also use one of the other ones. Just pick one with good reviews. And now that it has been installed, now just select what your business is. Say I'm in the health niche, then which channels do you sell on? I'll say I only sell on website. Then how many support agents are there in your team? I'll say 1 to 3, so basically it's just me, for example. Then you can make your own AI assistant. So basically it will sync with your store through product details, collections, variants, and pages such as your policy, contact us, FAQs. So the better build out your website with the more info, the better it will be trained. So you can then click start sync, and then it will look at everything on your website and learn from that. Then here select what your brand color is, and then here you can choose the chat box button. So for example, chat with us. They can choose the blocks, so contact us, order tracking, featured questions, and featured categories, and that's basically what they can choose from. And from there, click finish or first enable the app. So if you click go to theme right here, what you can then do is enable the app itself so that it will actually be added. So make sure here Chatty is switched on, and then click save. Then go back and now click on finish. And now here you can choose one of the paid plans or scroll down and continue as free. And from now it has been activated. So now again, if I go to my website right here, you will now see it has the chat with us. And now this should be powered by AI. So for example, it already has tracked my order, return policy, how long does delivery take, or if I just send hi, you can see it is now going to respond automatically, and this is the AI. So hello, how can I assist you today? For example, how long does shipping take? Now I don't have this on my website. If you do, then it would know how long it will take. So just create an FAQ page where you have most of the info that people ask for, and then the AI will know. Therefore right now it says I couldn't find specific info about shipping times. Generally shipping can vary, but if I had this in my FAQ, it would then respond with that. Now with this app you can also still respond yourself. So if you go to inbox right here, and then click go to inbox, you can still see all of the messages and chats that it has had. For example, here you can find the chat that I just created. And what's pretty cool about this app, for example, is that you can also see what they have in their shopping cart. You can see the recent orders from the person that is contacting you, and also their customer name, email, and phone number. And if you click join conversation, then now you can actually join the conversation. So it was reassigned to an agent, and now I can go and respond. For example, shipping takes, let's say, 7 days, and then click send. And you will see now on the store, you can see that the person has said shipping takes 7 days. So that's another way that you can do customer support for your Shopify store and basically be online 24/7. So now you know how to add customer support in Shopify. By the way, if you haven't yet created your Shopify account, you can get a 3-day free trial and then 3 months for only €1, $, or pound per month through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.